It is the black caiman, known scientifically as Melanosuchus niger, one of the elite predators of the Amazonian ecosystem. Although it was intensively hunted during the 20th century for its precious dark skin, which led it to the very brink of extinction thanks to conservation efforts, its population has recovered significantly over the last few decades. The black caiman is one of the largest living reptiles in the world, with a length that can reach 20 feet and a weight of more than 1,100 pounds, making it a true giant among giants. It is the largest predator of the Amazon basin and the most imposing member of the Alligatoridae family,